Hello guys, welcome once more. It's your favorite guy Blazo, as every other day. Today I'm with your girl Laurencio. Yeah, we'll be making you some great content on the Fun Center. As you can see, we're right in front of it. We'll be having fun, and I hope you stick here so we have fun together. Ciao.
So we have an entire lounge here. Before bowling and everything, they have an awesome lounge where you can just sit down and order something, maybe pizza or just maybe chicken nuggets. Yeah.
I think we've done a tour of the place, isn't it?
Yes.
So now we're just gonna have some bowling. Have you done that before?
Never in my life. Today's going to be my first
I'm
day.
going to show her something. Like, I'm a pro.
So my beautiful people, before doing the bowling, there are some kind of shoes and socks that you need to wear before doing it. So I don't know exactly why it has to be done. But it has to be done anyway. So let's go get our shoes.
Yeah. Boss, what size are you?
39.
39?
Yes.
Me too. 39. Okay. Great time. Girl, you need more work, girl. More work. controlling the ball, my book. Not cheating, please. Save yourself, girl. Save yourself, girl. Yeah.
See what happens.
Make a better choice.
Let's get it with this. See. Did he coach me?
One. Even a ball knows. Last ball and you still can't save yourself.
I can.
Oh, you came out second. Hey guys, welcome once more. It's your guy Bless Bezo as usual and your girl Lorraine. As you can see, we just ended the game and she barely saved herself to come out second. She barely saved herself to come out second. And Lorraine, what do you think about the game today?
I feel like the game is so stressful. Like this, my arm. I don't need to go to the gym again. It has cut down.
I'm already so used to and I had to crush her.
Yes.
Crush her. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What can I give you?
I'll get you something. I feel like it's a very strategic game because you just need to get like the right angle and then you're going to get the game. Okay. And I feel like that's what you know, right? You know the angle.
You're the coach, you're the one that's giving the advice. Follow Coach Lorraine for more bullying lessons.
Okay, guys.
Welcome back. It's your guy Bless Bezo and your girl Lorraine. She just got trashed.
I didn't. I took second.
She got trashed. I mean, I trashed her. So, guys, actually talking about the fun center, it's actually I think it's the best place in DOUALA.
Not the best place.
What do you recommend them?
I feel like it's an awesome fun place. You know, it's okay, and I think it's the only fun center.
Yeah, that's why I'm actually putting it the best though. He's competing with no one.
I don't want to give them that accolade yet. Not yet.
Yeah.
But they are good. Like, this is an awesome place to have fun, like on a Sunday. You just come here chilling, you know. I really just like the place. Because, I mean, we've been here for more than 1 hour, 30 minutes
But we
now.
never noticed it, actually.
Yeah, we never noticed it. Like, we're
Time
just having
just flies
so
in
much
here.
fun. Yeah.
Also, it's good to know that coming here, they have, they do offer meals too,
Yes.
drinks. They have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 games which you can actually practice here.
Yeah.
And time here flies a lot. Also, just a bad side of it, network in here is not the best. MTN network. I'm sorry, I have to say
Of
that.
course, it's
so we are coming to
confined,
try
actually.
yourself with Orange or something else. So guys, I hope you guys find time to come and visit them and have fun. And I hope my girl Lorraine had fun. So what do you have to say, girl?
I love you all. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this.
Okay. See you.